In front of me is a NOKIA 3.1 and today I will show you how to access the Fastboot mode. So to start off, we'll actually need the cable that came with the device, like I have one right here. And what you want to do is plug it into your computer or laptop. And once you have that ready, we can proceed by powering off the phone. So hold the power key and then select power off. Now that the device is shutting off, I'm gonna flip it over so I can actually plug in the cable. And when it's off, you want to plug it in the computer via the cable. You'll see a little Android there, and wait for that screen to disappear, and after it you should see the battery indicator, and it should show you that it's charging. And once that is visible, we can actually proceed. And what we will do now is hold power key and volume down, or up I meant, sorry. So power and volume up together. You can let go now once you see the Android one. Okay, now I get a little Android with no commands, so what you want to do is hold power key and tap volume up once. So hold and tap. And now we're in recovery mode. So I'm actually gonna unplug the device so you can see better. Put it back up, like so. And from here, we will use volume up and down to navigate the menu. So volume down to navigate down and up to go up. And power key to confirm whatever we have selected. And what we want to do is select right now what it is selected, reboot to bootloader, and press power key to proceed. You can see rebooting to bootloader, and soon you should see Fastboot mode right on the bottom and a tiny little print, Fastboot mode, meaning that we are now indeed in Fastboot mode. So that is basically how you access it. And if you want to leave it, you can just hold the power key for, I don't know, like 10 seconds probably, is it? Basically hold it till it disappeared like it did right now. And if it doesn't turn on by itself, you can press the power key again. Okay, you will feel a little vibration, so you can let go. And now it's turning back to the normal Android. It's actually gonna be turning on for a little bit longer, so yeah. This is basically how you access the Fastboot mode and also leave it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.